Alright, so put the blue stuff in, the blue steel blue layout fluid. Ran the all the valves again. I don't know if you can see all that, but every single one is good. Nice silver ring in the blue. Tomorrow, well, in 9 minutes it'll be tomorrow, but tomorrow morning or when I get back from work, I will give it a complete bath, take it to the school on Monday, give it a solvent bath, and then tape it up and paint it, just like I've done to all the other parts. I might as well do this one too. So anyway, verify. I've got white rings in a blue circle. Alright, so I'm okay with that. Oh, and just so you know, everybody thinks that 5 valves per cylinder is great. Well, it just took me an hour and 15 minutes to do all 20 of them. And that was just doing one valve sequence of the fine compound, and that was it. So yeah, think about that when next time you're doing your valves when you only got 2 or 4. Ugh. Oh well. Gotta pay to play.